Why others are not answering that?
Sleeping,
Yes,
sleeping.
sir.
Having tea, like Suraj.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Here you have to give the answers. Adjectives of quantity. Okay? Adjectives of quantity you have to write in these blanks. Like quantity we have done, you have to ask the question how much, little, much, some,
Many,
enough.
some,
Many नहीं,
one.
many तो countable है. Quantity you have to write adjective of quantity. I ate dash apple for breakfast.
I
One.
ate one. No one.
Here, this sentence it is one. It is countable. I know that, but they have given this sentence in this exercise.
Many,
They
sir,
should know.
many. I
That is
ate
also
many
countable.
for
Quantity,
breakfast.
adjective of quantity लिखना है quantity.
Quantity, I ate some apple. Hello, is it not coming? Hello?
Sir
Now
is not speaking.
number two,
Okay.
speaking, but somebody is reaching late.
Ram,
Tell me number two.
10
Ramu
minutes.
has
More.
dash free time.
Some.
More.
More. Then me comparison है तो more आएगा ना.
Yes, more, more.
Take dash rest before you start
Take
working.
some rest before you start working again.
Enough.
You can write some also and you can write enough also.
Enough
Both
also.
correct. Both are correct.
Yeah.
Get up a dash early tomorrow or else you will be late. थोड़ा जल्दी. Why no one give the answer?
I can little bit.
Get up a little early tomorrow.
Okay.
Dash work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This is very
All
old
work
proverb.
and
All work and no play
all.
makes Jack a dull boy.
All work and no play makes Sahil a dull boy.
Yes, I always play full day.
Okay. You keep taking screenshot, then I will not give you time again. All of you. Done?
Sir, screenshot taken.
Okay. You must carry dash food for the journey.
Some.
Dash empty vessel makes dash noise. यहाँ पे dash नहीं आएगा. This is by mistake. Empty
Empty
vessels.
vessel make the much noise.
Much. This glass is dash empty or dash full.
This glass
Half.
is either
Half.
empty or full.
Or नहीं, either or is not the answer.
Neither nor.
Glass. No.
Half.
Uncountable.
Half.
Half. Yes,
This
correct.
glass is half empty or half full.
Okay. Half empty or half full. So should I write the same in the second blank also?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Dash people never exercise as they are too lazy. That's
Many
Sahil.
people never exercise as they are too lazy.
I never do
Many.
exercise. I never
Why?
do. I don't like.
Why don't you like?
We are okay with
You are
no
okay.
exercise only. More
Dash
exercise
effort
people
is
weak.
required on your part to complete this project.
Some effort is required on your party to complete this project. Some,
પાર્ટી
sir.
પાર્ટી નથી ઓય
Exercise
પાર્ટ છે પાર્ટ.
Part.
હા.
something.
પાર્ટી ક્યાં આવી તારી વચ્ચે? મોહમ્મદ અલી. Some effort. Take screenshot quickly. Screenshot taken.
No, sir, wait. Done.
Yes, now we have to read this adjectives of number.
I read.
Sir, screenshot.
क्या?
Really, sir, screenshot.
Yes. Read.
Read these sentences. This is the first time I have been here. Two boys won the first place. There are several fans in the house. Sir, fans है कि fan?
Fans.
पंखा.
Hmm.
Many people in my locality own cars. There are 3 candidates for this post. The highest adjective suggests how many people or things are meant or intended or in what way or order a person or thing stands. These are called adjectives of numbers. They answer the question how many or what way or what order. Adjectives that describe the number of nouns are called adjective of number. सर ये नोट रीड करने की.
Yes.
Note. Definite numeral adjectives denote a specific or exact number such as 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. Indefinite numeral adjectives such as several, any, many, few, do not denote exact number.
Okay. So here adjective of number you will get all the numbers, but उसमें ordinals भी आ जाए. Ordinals means order. First, second, third, fourth वो भी आ जाएंगे. Many, several, 1, 2, 3. All that are number and ordinals, right? And you know the difference between this. See, numeral adjectives में क्या आएगा? First, second, third, fourth, or 1, 2, 3. Numeral adjectives. Indefinite numeral means when you don't know how many. कितने वो नहीं पता. Several, many, any, few. They do not tell us the exact number. Few boys, but कितने वो नहीं पता. Many boys, कितने वो नहीं पता. So few, many, several, any, that are called indefinite because you don't know how many exactly. Definite means exactly पता है कितने. First, second, third, or 1, 2, 3. That note is very important. Understood that note?
Yes, understood.
And adjectives of number are really easy. In the exercise, you can find out very easily. Okay, so I will scroll. ये थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड की एक्सरसाइज आ गई वापस. थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में आती है ऐसी एक्सरसाइज तो सबको.
The child is 3.
3, 2 seconds, several, 7.
थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में वापस चले
One.
जाओ तुम लोग. थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में.
Okay.
ओके वाह मुझे तो ओके.
ए वो सोफिया
मेरा तुझे रीडिंग आती है या नहीं आती है?
नहीं आती.
इसीलिए ये ऐसा बोलता है. 140.
140. 140. 60.
67.
10.
10.
Finish. 10.
10.
30 seconds also you will not take. So I will ask all this kind of sentences in exam in 20 marks. Okay? Everyone will get 20 out of 20.
Okay.
In this, before this lecture, I had the lecture in 7D girls class. तो उनको भी मैंने ये बोला. They said, okay sir, very good. Then we will get, no one will get 19. Everyone will get 20 only. 20 out of 20.
There are 60 minutes in an hour. There are
16 minutes. 60
There are many
minutes.
60
stars.
minutes in hour.
Sir, first I said 16 minutes.
61. अभी तो 61 नहीं होगी.
No.
ये साहिल तो 70 बोल रहा था.
No,
There are
16.
many.
There are
There
dash
are many stars in the sky.
Okay, you can write many also.
Millions.
और एक word भी है. Billions also you can write millions.
Millions.
Unlimited.
Unlimited गलत है. नहीं.
Infinite.
Infinite
गलत.
नहीं.
How many we can
Innumerable
see?
means you cannot give number. Innumerable. You can write
Okay.
millions also. Dash is the baker's
Many.
dozen. Dozen.
12.
Dozen means 12.
12.
Since short. They are like several peas in a pot.
नहीं ये बोल के तुम लोग. We had done idioms. The two people who look exactly same.
In a pot.
Yes. पता है ये कहावत है. The idioms that two people who look exactly same. We call them two peas in a pod. Exactly same kind of people.
Chapter idiom.
Yes. Put a
Idiot
dash
नहीं.
candies in the bowl. See these candies. दिया है आगे. A dash.
Put a ball.
7.
No, 7. Put a singular.
What?
Put a
Dozen
bunch
candies
of
in the bowl.
candies. Many candies in the bowl. सही
Put
है
a
नहीं
many.
आता.
Put a dozen.
Dozen.
ये नहीं आता. साहिल ने 2-3 आंसर बोल दिए. Then his answer नहीं आता. एक भी करेक्ट नहीं था.
Yes.
Good.
There
पहले
are
आंसर बोलता है फिर
several.
बोलता है नहीं आता.
सर और से मैच नहीं हो रहा था ना इसलिए.
Okay, 1 second. Second.
Many.
There are trillions grains of sand on the beach.
Several.
There are trillion grains of sand on the beach. Hello, sir. Hello.
1 second, I was checking that net connection in that phone. There are dash grains of sand on the beach.
Trillion.
Innumerable.
यहाँ पे भी innumerable लिख सकते हैं because you cannot count the number of sand
Infinite.
grains of sand.
Infinity.
Infinity.
Infinity means
Infinite.
Dash trees have been cut down in the.
many trees have been cut down in the city.
Pine. Pine trees have been.
You can write
क्या आएगा?
5 बोल रहा था वो. Answer he has
Sir,
got.
you said fine.
Answer है शायद but he read wrong. You can write many also. Many भी चलेगा उसमें. Dash are called but dash are chosen.
Many are called, but 3 are chosen.
No. Many are called, but some are chosen.
How do you know? Sufyan.
Some indefinite है.
क्या?
Some indefinite है.
So what?
तो
सर तो नहीं चलेगा ना.
7, 2.
What do you know?
आपने क्या बोला?
11 and 13.
You can write what 11 and 13.
13 right, left side or 11 right side.
That is correct. But this also we
Many
can write.
numbers. Right.
Some
Many
भी आ
are
सकता है.
called, but some are chosen.
Some.
Yes.
Few are chosen.
You can write. We must make dash attempts before deciding to give up.
Several attempts.
Several also, yes. Neil Armstrong was the first man to set foot on the moon.
Sahil was the first man to step on a dog.
Yes. No.
Yes, you had
I
stepped on a
was the
dog.
first man who put foot on the Mars.
So you are attending the lecture from Mars?
Yes.
Okay. साहिल मार्स से lecture attend कर रहा है अभी. Alien है
I
वो.
am in Mars. Wait, I
Sahil
tell
is
you,
an
wait. After this lecture.
Sahil is an alien attending lecture from Mars. Mars. Sanraj.
Sir,
Yes,
see, I am
sir.
in Mars. See.
Sanraj, read this
Sir,
page.
sir.
Oh, Sanraj Babu.
Read these sentences. This boy studies well. That boy plays well. These pictures are for sale. Those flowers are fresh. The highlighted adjectives points out the noun they describe. They are called demonstrative adjective.
Definition.
Words are these? Yellow. Adjective that help to point out specific people, place, or things are called demonstrative adjectives.
Hmm. So these four words are there. You already know this. This, that, these, those. So first two are singular. This and that, they are singular. These and those, they are plural. Right? You know that. So I don't have to explain much about it. When you want to point out, अगर दिखाना है कि ये इंसान यहाँ, ये चीज, this boy, this is the boy who is mischievous. That is the boy who is attending the lecture from Mars. ऐसे. You can speak, you can give the sentences like that. Right? That is the boy who is an alien. Mars wala alien. Who is that boy?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
The voice is not coming.
My
Hello?
voice is not
Sahil
coming.
sir, yes,
Hello.
sir, boy, he's coming.
हाँ तो आ रहा है आवाज मेरा.
Hello?
Underline the demonstrative
Yes,
adjectives.
sir,
Come
now
on.
it is coming. Sir, now it is coming.
Underline the demonstrative adjectives. Tell me the answers.
Shoes. Sir,
Yes.
demonstrative.
क्या shoes?
These. Sir, these, those, ऐसे.
What were you doing when I explained this demonstrative
Sir,
adjective?
your voice is not coming.
He was showing Mars.
These,
Hey,
these,
these, those, that. These, those, that. That, those,
These, those.
these, yes, these, those, these. These, those, this.
Now in exercise 8 you have to write the answers. You have to fill in the blanks with demonstrative adjectives.
Yes. Look at those stars in the sky.
Those.
Look at those stars in the sky.
It is singular.
That star.
At least read the sentence properly and then you should speak.
Any of these people. These. THESE.
Those.
You can write these also and you can write
These.
those also. THESC is also
Okay,
plural.
sir.
Dash brand of clothes
This.
is my favorite.
This. 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 THIS.
Which brand?
Nike. Adidas.
Nike is not.
Puma.
वो तो स्पोर्ट्स ब्रांड है सर.
Those.
Adidas clothes बनाती है.
Yes, I know, but actually it is sports, especially.
Yes.
I like Canterbury.
What is this?
Canterbury. Sir, I don't know any brands of clothes.
Armani jeans.
Dashboards are so
TJ&C
colorful.
Boys, Denim, Levi's,
Yes, Levi's and
These
Buffalo.
birds are so colorful.
yes, buffalo, then cow, है ना?
Yes.
No cow, no.
Then वो
Hacker.
flying machine,
Flying
hacker,
machine.
फिर वो smacker,
Snackers, shoes का.
buffalo, cow, फिर वो goat, वो भी एक ब्रांड है ना?
नहीं.
Yes. Buffalo. Sir, buffalo है.
buffalo है, मुझे पता है. फिर वो एक और भी ब्रांड थी उनसी, monkey, वो भी एक थी ना ब्रांड?
Yes. Monkey
नहीं.
like Sufyan.
No,
Sir,
Buffalo
Adidas.
Hill.
Adidas.
Adidas है.
sports की है.
Yes, especially Adidas, Nike, Puma. You know what? Sports,
Nightwear.
especially shoes. Shoes are there, and track and T-shirts and all that are good for that.
Sweater भी है.
Formal clothes and casual clothes are good of other brands, like I said. ये जो Buffalo Cow और वो सब है.
TJ&C
फिर वो-
Boys.
एक और ब्रांड नहीं है.
गाय हमारी माता है. So that is cow.
Gau Mata.
You know
ब्रांड
that
नहीं है
joke
सर.
was there.
What's
No,
that?
you know that old joke which was there. Essay was asked of cow. Essay was asked on cow in exam. That joke, you know that?
No.
No sir, I don't know.
Think about
Yes,
it.
yes.
So I don't
Sufyan
know.
knows
Write a
it.
essay on the cow. उसको फिर cow draw किया और उसके ऊपर ऐसे लिख दिया.
नहीं. See, what was that? I will tell you. एक ऐसे पूछा था हिंदी में. गाय write essay on that cow. गाय पे, ठीक है? तो स्टूडेंट ने लिखा था गाय हमारी माता है, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है, ऐसे लिखा था उसने एग्जाम. टीचर ने क्या लिखा पता है? भैंस हमारा बाप है, मार्क्स देना पाप है, ऐसे लिखा था.
अच्छा है.
सर आप
हाँ,
ऐसा
तो-
मत करना.
हाँ तो तुम लोग भी ऐसा मत करना.
Okay.
Okay sir, okay.
एक सेंटेंस लिख के छोड़ दिया उसने. You will also write like this then. गाय हमारी माता है, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है. और फिर कोई
This
नीचे लिखते
bird.
हैं. Yep.
This bird.
Birds लिखा है, ठीक है? Birds. So you
No
can
sir,
write
these
These
birds
birds
are not
are
colorful.
Those.
these.
those. See, birds are
These
flying
birds-
above. Listen to me. यहाँ पे those. Why do we write those? Because those
सर कोई
this,
कोई
they are
birds तो
flying.
नीचे भी बैठे होते हैं, zoo में भी होते हैं इसलिए.
Yes.
कोई birds है ना सुफियान के शोल्डर पे भी बैठ जाते हैं आके.
Yes.
नहीं.
हाँ.
सर मार्स पे बहुत नेटवर्क फुल आ रहा है.
Yes. मार्स पे भी जियो आ गया, वहाँ पे भी.
सर स्क्रीनशॉट तो लेने दो
स्क्रीनशॉट क्यों लेना है?
आंसर के लिए.
शॉर्ट सर्किट ठीक है फर्स्ट. Then dash animals are underfed. Underfed means they are not given proper food.
This animal.
THESE.
नहीं,
These are
yes,
those. Any.
Hmm. Animals are not flying.
Yes.
Their
They are
house
not
is
the-
haunted. Haunted.
Those houses are on. This house is haunted.
That.
That
Mr. Cooper.
Mr.
Mr.
Cooper's
Cooper.
house is haunted.
and Dr.
Blackwood
Norton's.
House.
Yes.
That
But you didn't say
Sanjay sir,
the
house is wanted.
ending of that.
wanted, nahi haunted.
Sir, you didn't say the ending of traveling the world in 80 days. And the meaning of 2 words also. The boy next door told these lies.
Those lies.
Those lies. Those. Do not believe these stories. THESE. Take these cups away.
You can write these, okay?
Sir,
No
कौन
problem.
कैसे आएगा?
अरे cups plural है ना? You can write these, no problem.
Yes, yes. Bring me that book.
वो दोस्त नीचे आ गया, idiot. Okay, and Mohammed, read this.
हाँ,
ये किसने बोला?
साहिल.
Yes, sir.
नहीं. Okay, Sufyan.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Whose idea is more practical? What steps did you follow? Which train arrived late? These highlighted adjectives are used with nouns to ask questions. They are called interrogative adjectives. Adjectives that are used with nouns to ask questions are called interrogative adjectives.
Sufyan,
In this,
why are you shivering?
in this, I don't have to explain you much. You already know what are interrogative adjectives, whose, what, which questions are asked with this interrogative adjectives. And you know, फिर से thoughts around की exercise that they see. Thoughts around exercise.
Yes.
Do I have to give you the answers of these thoughts around exercise?
Which, whose, what, which, whose, which.
You know
Which
what?
what?
I will tell you in short.
What,
See,
what,
एक short में
what,
बोलूँ,
what?
एक ही लाइन में आंसर बोल दो, सब आंसर एक साथ एक लाइन में.
Yes.
एक लाइन में बोल दो आंसर सब. All the answers
Yes,
together I will
yes.
give you. Underline all the first words in the sentences.
ये क्या हो गया?
Underline the first word in all the sentences. See, check. You will get the answers. Again एक लाइन में सब आंसर.
Yes,
आ
sir.
गया.
देखा? This is called smartness. Like
Sir,
Sahil.
I was thinking that you
Wow.
will say like this. We choose
Sir,
what.
वो नहीं. वो तो सब बोल सकते हैं फिर. We choose what. Not like that. Without speaking the answer, I give the answer. ठीक है. ये कौन सा इंटरनेट है? www सुना है? ये www क्या है?
www.
W नहीं, W है वो.
हाँ,
W क्या है
W.
वो बच्चे? www, बबलू. Exercise 9. All the first words you have to underline. That answers. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now in exercise 10,
Which
little
color
bit you
is
have to
your
think.
hair?
Which
Okay,
color
here-
is your hair? What is
See
this?
here we write which also, but one more appropriate word is there.
What?
What? Whose car is this?
Mike.
Which
Mike.
method? Yes, sir.
My.
My method is easier. No.
What?
Whose
I
method?
was
Which
saying
method
that
is
my car.
Which car is this?
Which method आएगा? See, why? You know which? Why do we
Yes,
write which?
which
इसमें
method?
choice है. Look at the sentence. Easier
Yes.
means it is comparative degree. Comparative degree when do we use? When we have two choices. Easy, easier, easiest. तो easier कब use होता है? When we have two methods. तो उसमें से एक select करनी है. तो which? When you have choice. Dash house was burgled means
Whose?
stolen.
Burglar.
Whose
Burgled.
house?
Everything.
Dash child is missing.
Which
Whose child
which
is
child?
missing?
Which child is missing?
Whose child is missing? Sufyan's.
No.
Sahil's.
तो साहिल का. Okay.
नहीं. Ali Aslan.
अली असनन का. Okay.
Yours,
Azil का.
Sahil.
What
No,
team
Azil.
watchman?
Azil.
Azil.
Which
Azil
team
का.
won the match?
Okay. Azil, your child
Which
is
team
missing.
won the match?
Okay, Azil,
Yes,
Sir
sir.
में है ही नहीं.
your child is missing.
Sir is saying yes, sir.
हाँ, उसने yes बोला. Okay, now fine. Everyone will help him, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Dash events will take place today.
What?
You can write which also. वो which भी आ सकता है ना.
Sir Azil left हो गया.
तो भी वो right हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Which
True.
event? Which take place today?
Which
Dash day is
allotted
allotted for parent-teacher meeting.
Which day?
Which day is allotted?
Saturday. Dash suggestions do you have to offer?
Which?
What? Which ऐसे
Which?
का whose?
Yes, whose भी आ सकता है. Correct. Take SS. Take social science. नहीं screenshot.
Sir, થઈ ગયું. Screenshot લેવાઈ ગયો.
Thank you.
Okay. Last two exercises are left.
sir, પૂરું કરો ની હવે.
Okay. Yes.
ए પૂરું કરો ની.
Who is that? Guru Karoni.
Sayyad.
Sayyad Lily.
તે.
Okay. So all the exercises
Sir,
that we have solved
next.
today, you have to do in
Sir,
homework.
wait.
Sir
Sir,
screenshot.
Sir, see. This is a proof that I am in Mars. See.
Where?
Wow, see? દેખાવ. This is
This
the
is a
answer.
proof. See.
Where we cannot see. Yes. लेकिन ये तो किसी का इमेज है वो
No,
बैकग्राउंड
sir,
इमेज है.
this is
Background,
not image.
background.
हाँ
This is
बैकग्राउंड
proof.
इमेज.